Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Quicken to your IRA account. Download detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Quicken application on your computer. Navigate to the Tools menu located at the top of the screen. Select Add Account from the drop-down menu. In the Add Account window, choose Investment Account for your IRA. Click on Continue to proceed. You will now see a list of financial institutions. Use the search bar to type in the name of your IRA provider. Once you find your provider, click on it to select. Enter your login credentials for your IRA account. This typically includes your username and password. Make sure to double-check for any typos. Click on Connect to proceed with the authentication process. Quicken will initiate a connection to your IRA account. Follow any additional prompts to confirm your identity if required. Wait for Quicken to download the latest account information. This may take a few moments, depending on the provider. Once the download is complete, verify that your account details are accurate. You should see your IRA transactions listed in Quicken. If any discrepancies arise, revisit your login credentials. If everything looks correct, you can categorize your transactions as needed. Save your settings to ensure the connection remains intact. Your IRA account is now successfully connected to Quicken. You can regularly update the account to reflect new transactions. Feel free to explore additional features for tracking your investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.